everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Nusrat Jahan Noor before you. Today, I will have a very good chit chat with my learning partner. So let's get started. Hello,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm pretty well.
How do you came here?
I will come here by rickshaw.
Do you have any cat?
No, I didn't have any cat, but I had a cat.
Hello.
Hello,
How are you?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm fine also. How is your father?
My father is Will.
Hello.
Hi,
Nice to meet you.
nice to meet you too.
How may I call you?
You may call Noor
Okay,
because
Noor.
it's my nickname.
Okay. Noor, how are you today?
I'm fine.
Okay, thanks. Hello.
Hello,
How are you?
I'm pretty well. And you?
I am passing good time. What's your full name?
My full name is Nusrat Jahan Noor.
Hi.
Hello,
Hello.
how are you?
I'm fine. What's your full name?
My full name is Nusrat Jahan Noor.
Do you have any cat?
No, I didn't have any kid, but I had a cat.
Hello.
Hello,
What's your name?
my name is Nusrat Jahan Noor.
Are you to play cricket?
No, I don't like this. Hello,
What is your name?
I'm Nusrat Jahan Noor.
How old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
Do you have any dog?
No, I didn't have any dog.
Don't tap.
I don't have any dog.
Hi.
Hi,
What's your name?
I'm Nusrat Jahan Noor.
Where do you live in?
I live in Dhaka, Banasree.
Hi.
Hi,
What's your name?
I'm Nusrat Jahan Noor. And you?
My name is Sakin of Sakandrit. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
Which class do you reading?
I read in class 3. And you?
Hello.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm pretty well. And you?
I'm cool and dandy. What's your full name?
My full name is Nusrat Jahan Noor.
How old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
Thank you for answering. Hello.
Hello,
How are you?
I'm pretty well. And you?
I'm pretty well. How do you go to your hometown?
I will go to my hometown by car.
What's your future plan?
I want to be a police in future. Thank you for watching the video. Bye.